Santa Clara County Health leaders are taking action to deal with the tight supply of COVID tests, and they're coming down hard on private health care providers that aren't pulling their weight. KPIX5's Kiet Do has the new advice for getting a COVID test. Kit?
The big takeaway today: if you have COVID and you tested positive with an at-home test, do not try to confirm that test by coming down to a county-run site and taking up one of these valuable PCR tests. The county says save those for other people who really need them. With the county now testing more than 25,000 people per day and daily lines wrapping around the block, the county is addressing some of the confusion.
When should you get tested, and when should you use which kind of test?
If you have COVID and want to end your quarantine, an antigen or at-home test is okay. In this particular instance, a PCR test is actually too sensitive and will detect trace amounts of virus in your body and could give you a false positive. If you've been exposed, the best test is a PCR test. And if you're symptomatic, you can use either an at-home or PCR test.
PAMF, like Kaiser, and others to step up and do their part as well.
County Counsel James Williams also threatened to fine two of the region's largest healthcare providers, Kaiser and Palo Alto Medical Foundation, for not testing enough. The data shows the imbalance. The county provides healthcare to 15% of the population, but tests 20% of the population. Kaiser serves 30% of the population, but only tests 12%. And Palo Alto Medical Foundation serves 16% of the population, but only tests 2.4%. Williams says report violations to scccovidconcerns.org, and they will investigate.
That means if you are symptomatic or a close contact and you have tried to get access to testing from your healthcare provider, but we're told it's not available for a week, or we're told to go somewhere else, or we're directed, for example, to the county health system, those would be violations. Those would be the exact kinds of things that we'd like to hear about.
We're by far from out of the woods.
Dr. Cody also addressed the limits on large indoor gatherings that we've seen in some North Bay counties. She said there will be no shutdown like that in the South Bay for now.
Our general recommendation, not a mandate, but our recommendation is to avoid large gatherings.
In San Jose, Kiet Do, KPIX5.